Hi there, welcome back to Scrummy. How would you like to learn how to make perfect pipeable cream cheese frosting? Well, I've got a great recipe for you along with some tips and tricks which won't let you down. This cream cheese frosting is fluffy, thick and stable enough to pipe on all your favourite cakes and cupcakes. I'm using store-branded cream cheese, so there's no need for you to waste money on more expensive brands. Okay everyone, let's make cream cheese frosting. We're starting off by whipping the butter. Make sure the butter is at room temperature as it will make it so much easier to whip. You'll only need to whip the butter for about 1 minute until it's nice and soft. When it's soft, add the sieved icing sugar. I add this in 2 stages as again it makes it easier to whip. Mix the icing sugar in until it's completely incorporated and then you can add the remaining icing sugar and whip again for another minute. There's lots of nice flavours that you can add to your cream cheese frosting. I love lemon, lime and chocolate. If you like a spiced frosting, then add cinnamon. The mixture is lovely and thick now and ready for us to add the flavouring. Now you can add the vanilla extract and whip for about 5 minutes. Cream cheese frosting is delicious on carrot cake, and if you'd like to make a lovely carrot cake, why not check out my carrot cake loaf tutorial on my channel. When the 5 minutes are up, we can add the cream cheese. Instead of whisking in the cream cheese, I prefer to fold it in gently into the butter and icing sugar mixture. Take your time folding it in and it will come together by itself. I find by folding it in you get a much thicker, creamier frosting. Just look how thick and stable that is. Perfect for piping and spooning on your favourite cakes. There's enough cream cheese frosting here to ice 12 standard size cupcakes. Speaking of cupcakes, it's time to decorate some red velvet cupcakes. You can decorate by spooning on the cream cheese frosting or use a piping bag like I'm doing. I'm using a Wilton 1M piping tip. It's a very popular icing tip and it's my personal favourite. I hope you enjoyed this cream cheese frosting video and trust that it will help you. You'll find the recipe in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Happy baking everyone!
Scrummy.